The most common setup is both stroller seats in place. The front seat stays forward-facing and the rear seat stays parent-facing, and neither one rotates. To use the elevated rear seat, line it up with the frame and press it down until you hear it click. Pull up firmly on the seat to make sure it is locked in before use. To switch to a different setup, press the buttons on both sides of the rear seat and lift it straight up. To set up the bench seat, start by pulling up on the recline bar on the back of the front seat. Rotate the bar upward toward the seat and down until the seat back is in the upright position. Then lift and rotate the bench seat up until it clicks into place. You might need to guide the connectors into the mounts. Once the bench seat is set up, your child can hop on. Just make sure they are buckled in and holding onto the handles. You can still access the storage basket when your child is off the seat. Pull the strap in the center of the bench seat and rotate it down to open up the basket underneath. The standing platform is great for older toddlers who want to ride along. If the elevated rear seat is on, remove it first. Then lift and rotate the bench seat up to close the storage basket and reveal the standing platform underneath. Your child can then step onto the platform and hold onto the handles. Make sure they are always facing forward when riding.